Welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing, and in today's video I'm gonna be revealing to you a content locking strategy that can enable you earn some cool cash with CPA marketing and also with CPAGRIP right here. So watch this video right now to learn this simple strategy, and I'm gonna be walking you through that in a step-by-step pattern, and this actually involves you utilizing the help of this AI tool called INVIDEO.ai. It's an amazing platform that you can just simply leverage to go into generating content right now, just from scratch right now, utilizing a simple text prompt. Now all you need to do is to just simply go to sign up to this particular AI tool called INVIDEO.ai. It is an absolutely cool AI tool that you can use to go on to generating videos with just a simple text prompt right now. And you can see right now, guys, you can actually enter any topic. InVideo AI will actually get to work for you right now. All you need to do is to just simply go to sign up to the platform. It is quite easy to do that. Once you do sign up, guys, you will be brought to a page such as this where you can actually go on to inserting the topic and add detailed instructions for this particular AI to generate a very cool content for you.
Are you ready to transform your financial future in 2024? Do you want to be the next success story? This year is brimming with opportunities waiting for you to seize them. This video is your guide, your inspiration, your stepping stone to financial freedom. We're here today to share the tales of those ordinary individuals who decided to take the reins of their financial future and turn their lives around. Their stories are not just stories, but roadmaps to success. They've walked the path, braved the storm, and now they're
If you do take a look at the video which I showed you initially right now, you'll be able to see how cool the video actually looks like right now. And you can see how amazing this AI tool is good in generating cool video content. You can actually come right here, click on select workflow, and right here, guys, you can actually select the type of video which you actually want right now. Maybe I want a YouTube explainer video. I'm going to select that right now. I'm just going to leave that on. Maybe I want to select the amount of duration, the duration of the video. I can select 5 minutes, and I'm just going to give this AI tool a very cool video title right now, and also what to do in the video. You can see right now, guys, that I just simply need to give it a title right here. So I'm gonna just simply focus on a specific niche. Maybe I want to focus on the make money online niche. What I'm going to do right now is to give this a title and some description. So right here, you can see right now the topic says make money online 2024 motivations. The video should have a section promoting a free ebook in the description of the video, and this section right here, the second part right now, is actually quite important because that's what we're actually going to be utilizing right there to actually get people to check out the link in the description of the video to go on to clicking on, and we're going to be inserting our content locker link right there. So once you do that right now, you could go into selecting your background music. Maybe I could select something like an adventurous background music. You can actually select a voice style. Maybe I want to use a male voice. I can select a clear American voice. I can add in subtitles, and I can just simply leave this section as it is. Click on continue right now, and you can see right now a detailed title or prompt has actually been inserted right now. Next thing to do is to click on generate video, and you can see right now it's actually analyzing my text prompt. After analyzing the text prompt right here, it's going to go on to thinking and generate a very cool title for me for that particular video. So once you generate a title right there, you can actually go on to generating my video content right there. So you just need to be patient a little right now, and this AI tool is actually going to go on to work in its magic. You can see right here the title which was generated says make money online, your adventure begins here. And you can see right now it's going on to preparing the video right there. So now, as you can see right now, I actually need to go into selecting the target audience I want to get through to. Maybe entrepreneurs, job seekers, or students. I'm going to leave this on entrepreneurs. You want to actually select the look and feel of the video. Maybe if you want the video to be an inspiring video, a professional video, or a clips, I'm going to just simply leave it as it is. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on continue right now. And you can see right here that my video generation is actually in progress. You can see this section that says 0%. Once this gets to 100% right now, my video will actually be generated right now. As you can see, it's at 5% of the video is actually ready right now, and it's actually planning the script which is going to use for the video. It's generating the script right there, and it's going to generate the script for me scene by scene, and that's going to be an amazing one right there. of which you can go on to previewing the video later on right now. So I'm going to pause this video until this has actually gotten to 100% right now. So guys, right now you can see that the video has been generated. You could preview the video via clicking on this play icon right here. You could actually give the video a thumbs up to actually check if and verify that is a good video right now. You could actually go on to adding simple command right here to edit the videos right now. Maybe you want to remove a scene. You can actually ask the AI to go on to changing the second scene or any scene which you actually do not want right there. Once you've actually done that right there, you can actually edit via this section. Once you're done, you could actually go to exporting right here. Click on export video. You want to just simply remove the stock or use the stock watermark, either if you're using a free account, or you can go on to purchasing a paid plan if you want to. Right now I'm going to use the normal because that's for the free account, and you can actually select the video resolution you want to export with. Click on continue, and you're going to just simply go onto the exporting phase to export your videos right now. And once your video has successfully been exported right there, guys, all you actually need to do right now is to just simply head onto a CPA marketing platform like CPAGRIP. Go on to registering for a CPAGRIP account by clicking on register, log into your account. So guys, once you're logged into your account, come onto this page by clicking on monetization tools. Select the URL file locker. You will be brought to this page. Click on create new URL file locker. Agree to the terms of service. Click on continue right now, and you can just simply go into creating a locker. But you want to select a template right here. Maybe I could select the capture template. You can go on to general, actually select the name of the locker right now. Maybe I can select the make money online locker. And right now, guys, you want to just simply log in the link to that particular ebook which you actually indicated in the video that you're going to just simply be locking. So to gain access to an ebook right there, you just simply need to head on to platforms like idplr.com, where you could go on to searching for make money online ebooks and download some cool content. You could utilize the free plr.com to actually go on to gain access to cool ebooks right there also. So right now, guys, for you to actually do so right now, you can see lots of niches. This niche right there is the make money online niche. If I select that particular niche right there, it's gonna go on to taking me to a very cool page where I can actually see ebooks related to make money online right now. You can see right here, these are ebooks to make money online, where you can just simply select an ebook right here. It's going to just simply lead you to the download page that you can just simply go into downloading that particular ebook for absolutely free right now. As you can see right now, there are a lot of ebooks which you could just simply take advantage of right here in this particular section. So if you select an ebook, come right here, click on download. Once you download it on your device, head on to mediafire.com right now and actually go on to sign up for an account right here on this platform. So once you do sign up right here and log into your account, you will be brought to a page that looks similar to this. You're going to upload that particular PDF by clicking on the upload icon. Click on this plus, select the video from your device right now and just simply upload right there. So once you do that right now, guys, I already have the ebook right here. As you can see, this is an ebook which I want to promote on making money online, either for online businesses, YouTube, Fiverr, Craigslist, financial freedom, or successful people. So I'm just going to come right here, click on these three dots, select the copy link option, head back to my URL file locker, paste in the link right in here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on save right now, and my URL file locker will be generated right there. I can click on get link right now, copy the link to the URL file locker, and go on to promoting that right there by just simply creating a simple landing page, either with breezy.cloud or the systeme.io. So if you create a simple landing page with any of these two websites or any other landing page builder website of your choice, maybe the Google site, the Webflow, Warrior Plus, or any other landing page builder site out there, all you need to do is to head onto a social media platform like YouTube right here. If you're on YouTube, create a YouTube account right now or a YouTube channel where you can just simply click on this plus icon and go on to promoting that particular video right there. So all you need to do is to upload the video on YouTube and make sure that the link to that particular URL file locker or your landing page that link to the URL file locker is placed in the description of the video, so that people can gain access to that, because we actually inserted that right down in the prompt I was used in generating this video by this cool platform called INVIDEO.ai. So you can actually do see right here that the call to action will be embedded in the video, and you can use that to promote your offers and start making money. So utilize other social media platforms also to promote this and make some cool cash online. So if the video did add some value, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.